Okay, good morning students. In last class we discussed about exercise 1 continuation. Question number 4. Exercise 1 question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long and 3 1 by 5 centimeter wide. Wide means breadth. Find its perimeter. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long and 3 1 by 5 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Solution: this is a rectangular sheet. Rectangular sheet. This is the length of the rectangular sheet, breadth of the rectangular sheet. Length of the rectangular sheet is 5 2 by 3. L is equal to 5 2 by 3 centimeters. Breadth is 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Okay, this is the rectangular sheet. Length is 5 2 by 3 centimeters. Breadth is 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Given length of the rectangular sheet, length of the rectangular sheet L is equal to 5 2 by 3 centimeters. This is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 3 centimeters. 17 by 3 centimeters. Next, breadth of the rectangular sheet. Breadth of the rectangular sheet B, that is equal to 3 1 by 5 centimeters. 3 1 by 5 centimeters. That is equal to, this is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. 3 into 5 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 5 centimeters. Okay, length of the rectangular sheet L is equal to 5 2 by 3 centimeters. This is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17 by 3 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangular sheet B is equal to 3 1 by 5 centimeters. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 16 by 5 centimeters. Now we find out perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Rectangular sheet. Perimeter of the rectangle. Here rectangular sheet means rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle 2 into L plus B. Formula 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into L means length. Length of the rectangular sheet 16 by 5. 16 by 5 centimeters plus breadth of the rectangular sheet. Length of the rectangular sheet 17 by 3. 17 by 3 centimeters plus breadth of the rectangular sheet 16 by 5 centimeter. Once again, perimeter of the rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into L plus B. L means length 17 by 3 centimeters, breadth is equal to 16 by 5 plus 16 by 5 centimeters. Continuation. That is equal to 2 into 17 by 3 plus 16 by 5. We take LCM 3 and 5. 3 5 LCM 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. 3 table 15 how many times? 5 times. Now numerator is multiplied by 5. 17 5s are 17 5. 17 into 5 plus 3 table in 15 5 times. Now we multiplied 17. 17 into 5 plus breadth 5 in 15. 5 in 15 3 times. Now 16 into 3. 16 into 3 that is equal to 17 5s. 7 5s are 35. 3 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 8. 85. 17 5s are 85. 2 into 85 plus 16 3s are 16 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 48. 48 by 15. 85 centimeters. 48 centimeters. That is equal to 2 into, we add 85 plus 48. 85 plus 48. 8 plus 5 13. 1. 8 plus 5 11 12 13. 8 plus 5 13. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 133. 133 divided by 15 centimeters. 133 twos. 133 twos into 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 266 by 15. 266 by 15 centimeters. This is the improper fraction. So improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. Improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. Now 266 divisible by 15. 1 15s 15. 2 15s 30. So we take 115. 6 minus 5 1. 6 minus 5 1. 2 minus 1 1. 116. 116. 116. 15 into 7. 7 5s 35. 3. 7 1s 7. 7 plus 3 10. 105. 17 times 105. Remainder 6 minus 5 1. 1 minus 0 1. That is equal to 17 11 by 15. 17 11 by 15 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. That is equal to 17 11 by 15 centimeters. Okay, this problem is completed. Next, another problem. Fifth question. The receipt requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. How many more cups of flour does she need? The recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. How many more cups of flour does she need? Okay, solution. Given recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. More cups of flour required is equal to 3 1/4 minus Radha cups 1 3/8. Okay, recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. More cups of flour required is equal to 3 1/4 minus 1 3/8. This is the mixed fraction. So, mixed fractions are converted into improper fractions. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13/4 minus 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11/8. That is equal to, here take LCM 4 and 8. 4 comma 8 LCM. 2 table 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 into 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. 4 table divisible in 8 2 times. So, 13 into 2 minus 8 table in 8 1 time. 11 into 1. 11 into 1. 13 2s are 13 into 2. 26 minus 11 1s are 11/8. 26 minus 11/8. That is equal to, we subtract 26 and 11. 6 minus 1 5. 2 minus 1 1. 15/8. 15/8. Continuation. 15/8 is the improper fraction. So, improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. 15 divisible by 8. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So, take 1 8s are 8. 15 minus 8 7. Therefore, 7 1 7/8. 1 7/8 cups. 1 7/8 cups. More cups of flour required is equal to 1 7/8 cups. Next, sixth problem. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. Final exam. He has completed 5/12 part. 5/12 part of his course content. Course content. Find out how much. Find out how much course content is left. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5/12 part of his course content. Next, we find out how much course content is left. Now, solution. The total content is 1. Take 1. Abdul has completed is equal to 5/12 part of course content. Course content. Abdul has left. Abdul course content is left. That is equal to 1 minus 5/12. That is equal to 1 is the total course. Take 1 is the total course, 1 minus 5/12. Now, take LCM, 1 and 12 LCM. LCM of 1 and 12 is equal to 12. Now, 1 is in 12 times, so 1 into 12 minus 12 into 12 1 time, so 5 into 1 or just like cross multiplication, 1 into 12 minus 5 into 1 divided by 12. 1 12s are 12 minus 5 1s are 5 divided by 12. That is equal to 12 minus 5. So, subtract 12 and 5. 12 minus 5 means 7/12. 7/12 part of course content. 7/12 part. Abdul has left 7/12 part of course content. Okay, 6th problem completed. Next, continuation 7th problem. Seventh question, find the perimeters of first one triangle ABE, triangle ABE. Second, the rectangle BC DE in this figure. Which figure has greater perimeter and by how much? Okay, first we observe the figure ABC. ABC is a triangle. BCD is a rectangle. ABC is a triangle. Okay, find the perimeters of triangle ABE. Perimeter. Triangle ABE. This one C. Triangle ABE. The rectangle BCDE is a rectangle. In this figure, which figure has greater perimeter and by how much? Greater perimeter and by how much? First, triangle ABE, perimeter of triangle ABE, that is equal to AB plus BE plus AE. We add all sides. ABE. Here three sides AB, BE plus AE. AB length how much? 1/3 centimeters plus BE length 1/5 centimeters plus AE length 2/3 centimeters. That is equal to, this is the mixed fraction, so we convert it into improper fraction. 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10/3 centimeters. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11/5 centimeters plus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14/3 centimeters. That is equal to, take LCM 3 5 3, 3 comma 5 comma 3. First find out LCM. 3 table 1 time, 5 not possible, 3 1 time, again 5 table 1 1 1, 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. LCM of 3 5 and 3 is 15. So take LCM 15, 3 table in 15 5 times, 3 5 is 15. So we multiply 10 into 5, 10 into 5 centimeters plus 5 table in 15 3 times, 11 into 3 centimeters plus 3 table in 15 5 times 14 into 5 centimeters. That is equal to 10 5s are 50 centimeters plus 11 3s are 33 centimeters plus 14 5s are 10 5s are 50, 4 5s are 10 5s are 50, 4 5s are 20. So we add 50 and 20, 70 centimeters divided by 15. That is equal to 50 plus 33 plus 70, 50 plus 33 plus 70, 50 plus 33 70. We add 50, 33, 70. 3 5 plus 3 8 or 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 153 centimeters, 153 centimeters divided by 15. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 153 by 15 centimeters. Once again repeat, perimeter of triangle ABE equal to AB plus BE plus AE. AB means 3 1 by 3 plus BE length 2 1 by 5, AE 4 2 by 3. These are the mixed fractions. So mixed fractions are converted into improper fractions. Next, take LCM 3 5 and 3. 3 5 3 LCM is 15. So 3 table 15 5 times, so numerator 10 into 5, 10 5 is 50 centimeters plus 5 table 15 3 times, 11 into 3, 11 3 is 33 plus 3 table 15 5 times 14 5 is at 70, we add 50, 33 70, 153 by 15 centimeters. This is the triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is 153 by 15 centimeters. Perimeter of triangle ABE 153 by 15 centimeters. Next, perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Second one, perimeter of the rectangle BCDE, that equal to perimeter of the rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Here length is 2 1 by 5. Length 2 1 by 5. 2 into 2 1 by 5 centimeters plus breadth means 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3 centimeters, that is equal to 2 into 2 5s are mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 5 centimeters plus 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3 centimeters. Take LCM, 5 and 3 LCM, 5 3s are 15, LCM is 15. So 5 table in 15 3 times, 11 into 3 plus 3 table in 15 5 times, 5 into 5 centimeters, that is equal to 2 into 11 3s are 33 plus 5 5s are 25 divided by 15, 33 plus 25. Continuation, 2 into 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 3 5, 58 by 15, 58 2s are 58 2s are 58 into 2, 2 8s are 16 1, 16 1, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 11, 116, that is equal to 116 by 15 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangular BCD is equal to 116 by 15 centimeters. Okay, perimeter of rectangular BCD is equal to 116 by 15. Perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 153 by 15 centimeters. Perimeter of the rectangle BCDE is equal to 116 by 15. Here triangle ABE, here triangle ABE is bigger than rectangle perimeter of the rectangle. So 153 by 15 is greater than 116 by 15. 116 by 15. The difference of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of ABE. 153 by 15 minus 116 by 15. that is equal to LCM 15. We subtract 153 and 116. Now take borrow 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 37. 37 by 15 centimeter. This is the difference. So, perimeter of triangle ABE and rectangle of BCDE. Here, perimeter of rectangle is less than the perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, children, this problem is completed to be continued in another class.